In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your direct deposit information in your SoFi account. To get started, open your web browser and go to sofi.com. Once the site loads, sign in to your account using your usual login credentials. Make sure you're on a secure internet connection before logging in, especially if you're accessing banking information from a shared or public space. After you've successfully signed in, you should land on your account dashboard, which is the main screen where you can view your financial products and account details. From your dashboard, look for the banking tab and click on it. This will take you into the banking section of your account, where you can manage features related to your checking or savings account. If you have multiple products with SoFi, this step helps narrow things down so you're viewing the correct area for direct deposit information. Once you're in the banking section, find the option labeled More Services. Click that to open additional account tools and settings. In that menu, select Direct Deposit. This is where SoFi keeps the details you need if you want to set up direct deposit for your paycheck or any other recurring payment. On the direct deposit page, you'll usually see two options. One option is to download a pre-filled direct deposit form. This can be especially helpful if your employer or payroll provider asks for a bank form to verify your account information. Since the form is already filled out with the necessary banking details, it can save time and reduce the chance of entering something incorrectly. The other option is to copy your routing number and account number directly from the page. If your employer uses an online payroll portal, you can paste those numbers into the required fields there. As you do this, take a moment to double check that each number is entered exactly as shown. Even a small typo can delay your direct deposit setup. If you're copying and pasting the information, it's a good idea to review everything one more time before submitting it. And if you download the form instead, make sure you send it only through your employer's approved process so your banking information stays protected. That's all you need to do to access your direct deposit details in SoFi. Once submitted to your employer, the setup time can vary, so keep an eye on your payroll updates if you're waiting for your first deposit.